Yes.
Yeah, teams who know, like the coaches and athletes who know that we don't have this much to give, they tend to be a little tidier with how they execute a championship. So not to say that Edwin Allen aren't tidy, but sometimes because they have that cushion in the back of their mind, athletes sometimes tend to take the foot off the gas. The concentration goes through the window, and then you see the kind of performances that you see.
And then sometimes you just don't have enough staff when you have a big team to individualize what you want to say to them, because you know how critical it is going to that start line and your coach is telling you, you have this one. Don't worry about it. Just go out there and execute and get the job done. Yeah. It's critical for most athletes.
Yeah, and that's why coaches have captains assigned per class, because sometimes coaches cannot be everywhere at the same time, so they have to rally the team, get their captains to represent them in different areas. And that's what coaches have done and management teams have done. They've found individuals, student athletes who've shown the potential and the leadership qualities to rally the team when things are down.